Hi guys, it's Alex Davidson, the managing partner of LP Group Canada, and the major topic of today's short video is what to do if your visa application has been refused. So if, my condolences, your visa application for temporary resident visa, for temporary status in Canada, or God forbid for the immigrant visa to Canada has been rejected, first and foremost, please do not panic. I mean, it is not the ultimate decision. It's not that everything is lost, and the situation might actually be reversed. The second step is analysis. So what you have to do is to understand carefully how the visa officer and why the visa officer came to the decision of rejecting your application. So I would say that the second step, which every person who received a refusal should do, is to order so-called GCMS notes. In essence, those notes is something which would allow you to get an idea how your documents were processed, who has taken them in his or her hands, how visa officer has been looking at your documents, and what he or she understood or misunderstood from your application, and at the end of the day, how he or she came to the conclusion that your visa request has to be rejected. Okay? And the third step, the ultimate one, is giving those notes to the professional, to the certified lawyer, to the certified immigration specialist, to the person who works especially with the appeals, especially with the refusal matters, so he or she would be able to analyze those notes together with you, understand what has to be done next. It could be us, mostly welcome, we would be able to do that for you. It could be your trusted immigration representative, but just make sure that this representative is licensed to do that for you, and this representative specializes in refusal matters, so he or she would actually be able to assist you. Okay? At the end of the day, if your visa has been rejected, it could result in a careful reapplication where all the issues raised by the visa officers could be addressed, and therefore the situation could be reversed. Or if for any chance there are grounds for appeal, so there is a chance that the visa officer, as a human being, we are all human beings, right, made a mistake, maybe your situation could be reversed via the application to the Federal Court of Canada, where the Federal Court would rule out in your favor, and at the end of the day would decide that your application has to be returned back for the consideration. So step number one, stop panicking. Step number two, get your GCMS notes in hands, process them, analyze them by the certified professional. And step number four, make sure that your application is resubmitted, and hopefully it would receive a positive result. Thank you.